In the realm of AI, fast intuition is often just noise. To build something meaningful, we need more than speed. Welcome to Extended Thinking, where Claude AI doesn't just respond, it reasons. Step by step, the chain of thought constructs a logical foundation, turning raw data into structured insight. This is the architecture of intelligence, a space where complex problems are dismantled and rebuilt into solutions. Master the tools to build production-ready AI that thinks deeper and works harder. Mastering Claude AI on Aspar Tech. Elevate your reasoning. Build the future. Mastering Claude, Zero to Production AI Builder. The complete hands-on course for IT professionals and developers. Start building today at asbrtech.com.